Hi everyone, it is July the 2nd and the 4th of July week. Here we are, already in the middle of the course. This is week 4 in English 7741. So after this week, we only have about 2 weeks to go, which is crazy. At any rate, here we are on Monday. So last week, to recap, you learned about copyright and fair use and got started on the parallel composing project. This is due on Sunday, July the 8th of this week. So let me know if you have questions about that. As you continue this week, you'll finish that parallel composing project and then get started on designing a video lesson that teaches an aspect of critical digital media literacy. Sort of a mouthful there, but critical digital media literacy is more important for us to teach now than ever before. It really is up to us to help our students decode the barrage of digital content that confronts them, from social media sites to videos and websites. They need to know what's real and what's not, and how to protect themselves from FOMO, the fear of missing out, as well as the doctored and photoshopped images that they see. So you will be thinking about that as you progress. Good luck also as you finish up your OWL talks. Remember, these can be about anything at all that you want to teach or tell us. You're all teachers, so that shouldn't be too hard for you to think of something. You will write your talk first and then create a DMC that incorporates images and your voiceover. The point of this is to compare the parallel part, the written composition with the digital composition, and see how they might differ and remediate each other. WeVideo, as many of you have already discovered, works quite well. Do be aware with the free version of WeVideo that you're going to have to keep your videos pretty short. So bear this in mind as you're creating your OWL talk. Module 6 is not due until July the 5th on Thursday because of the holiday. I'll send a separate video to you today with the quiz answers from last week. I don't normally put these on YouTube. So, all right, that's it. Happy 4th of July, and I'll see you online.